Hi guys, you're welcome to this PAWS update. I'm going to be taking you guys through the process on how you can complete the new PAWS task. This new PAWS task is called Premarket Teaser Task. I'm going to show you guys how you can complete it, so just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see N. You can see where it is written N. On the end page, you're going to find the Premarket Teaser Tax under the limited section. You can see that limited is chosen. Now here's the tax, Premarket tax, and you can see that you're going to be getting 5,000 PAWS token for completing the tax. So guys, what I'll do now is to take you guys through the process. So let me tap on start. You can see where it is written start. Now this is where you have to choose your default browser. You have to choose the browser that you have in your phone. Me, I have Chrome in my phone, so let me tap on the Chrome browser right away. You can see now it's directing me to the PAWS website. It's loading up. Right now you can see I'm on the PAWS website. Now the first step you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see that menu icon right there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. So what I'll do now is to tap on it. So let me do that right away. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see Premarket. You can see it right there. That's the third option. Make sure you tap on Premarket because this tax is the Premarket Teaser tax. So let me tap on Premarket real quick. You can see what popped up. Let me get to read it. Premarket info. You must be eligible for the PAWS token drop in order to access this page. The premarket page will be available soon. So guys, what you simply have to do is to tap on got it. Once you tap on got it, you have completed the task. So let me tap on got it right away. So guys, now I've been able now to complete this task. What I have to do now is to go over to the PAWS mining app on Telegram to claim the 5,000 PAWS token for completing the task. So let me go back now. What I'll do now is to exit this PAWS website. Let me go back now. You can see now I'm logging into the PAWS mining app on Telegram. You can see my account is opening up. Right here again, I'm on the home page of my PAWS mining app. So what I will simply do is to go over to the N section again. So let me tap on N at the bottom right corner. Let me tap on N. Right here we're on the N section again. So what I have to do now is to tap on claim. You can see that the claim button is now visible. I've completed the task. So what I have to do now is to tap on claim. However, in a case where you can't see this claim button, what you can simply do, there are two things you can do. The first one is to close your Telegram app, open your Telegram app again, then log into your PAWS mining app on Telegram. That way you'll be able to find this claim button after completing the task. Secondly, the way you can actually see that claim button is to reload this your PAWS mining app on Telegram. Reload it. I can do it by tapping on that three dots at the top right corner. Let me tap on it. Then what you're going to do next is to tap on reload page. You can see it right there. That's the second option. Then after that, you'll be able to see that the claim button will be visible. Just do that. Just do these two things. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on claim to claim this my 5,000 PAWS token. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see now I've been able now to claim it. So guys, this is how you can be able to complete this pre-market tax on your PAWS mining app and get the reward that follows. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Bye.